Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making strawberry milk. Strawberry milk is extremely popular in Korea. Nothing beats having a glass of strawberry milk during strawberry season. So firstly, for the ingredients, we'll need to prepare 125 grams of strawberries, 30 grams of brown sugar, and 250 grams of milk. We usually start by washing the strawberries. We'll need to first soak the strawberries in a bowl of water. Gently rub the strawberries surface with your fingers to remove any soil or dirt. After it's all clean, we'll need to remove the strawberry leaves and stem. I'm using a strawberry stem remover for this method. You may get one from the store or just use a knife if you like. Next, divide the strawberries into 2 equal portions. Take one portion of the strawberries and cut them into small little cubes and set them aside. Now, we'll need to place the other portion of the strawberries in a blender cup and blend them with a hand blender till they turn into puree. You may also use a fork or a potato masher to mash the strawberries if you don't have a blender. Once it's done, we'll just need to add the brown sugar into the strawberry puree and gently mix them together with a spoon. When you're done mixing, add in the strawberry cubes and continue mixing them up. Don't stir too hard as you don't want to destroy the strawberry cubes. Now, we'll need to place a lid or plastic wrap on top of the cup and chill it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. After refrigerating, it's time to make ourselves a cup of strawberry milk. We'll need to transfer the strawberry sauce into a serving glass and simply pour in the cold milk. I'm using a 450 ml glass jar here. Do note, this is only for the serving of one. You may scale up the portion accordingly to the number of people you're serving. Lastly, we'll need to stir the milk and let the strawberry sauce blend in evenly with the milk. You may also slice half of a strawberry and place it on top as decoration to give it that extra touch. Hey guys! Welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making blueberry milk. Due to its high nutrition value, it's also one of the most famous fruit milks in Korea right now aside from strawberry and banana milk. It's definitely worth trying. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 125 grams of blueberries, 30 grams of brown sugar and 250 grams of milk. Here we've already washed the blueberries and divided them into two portions, one weighing 90 grams and another smaller portion weighing 35 grams. So to start off, we'll have to place the blueberry with the bigger portion into a blender cup and pour in the brown sugar. Then, with a hand blender, we'll need to blend them till they turn into puree. You may use a fork or a potato masher if you don't have a hand blender. It will work too. Once you have your puree, it's time to add in the other smaller portion of blueberries into it. We'll need to stir it gently and let the blueberries mix in evenly with the puree. When we are done mixing, we'll need to cover the top of the cup with a lid or plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for about at least an hour. Now, to make the blueberry milk, just pour in the blueberry puree you've chilled earlier into a serving glass. Then, pour in the cold milk and stir it with a straw. Do note, I'm using a 450 ml glass jar here, and this recipe is only for the serving of one. So if you want to have a bigger serving, you may scale up the portion accordingly. And there you go. You have yourself a jar of refreshing and delicious blueberry milk. Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making banana milk. In Korea, fruit milks are a thing now, and banana milk is definitely one of the few more popular ones that people love and can't go without. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 150 grams of bananas, 20 grams of brown sugar, and 250 grams of milk. Here we've already divided the bananas into two portions, one weighing 100 grams and another smaller portion weighing 50 grams. We usually start off by cutting the bananas. Just place the 50 grams of bananas onto a chopping board and simply cut them into cubes. Then, set them aside. Next, place the other 100 grams of bananas into a bowl and mash the bananas with a fork or a potato masher. Add in the brown sugar and gently stir till they are evenly mixed. For this case, you may also substitute the brown sugar with white sugar in 1:1 ratio if you want a nicer bright yellow color. Once we are done, we'll need to pour the banana mixture into a serving glass and add in the banana cubes. Do note, I'm using a 450 ml glass jar here and this recipe is only for the serving of one. If you want to have a bigger serving, feel free to scale up the portion accordingly. Now, we got all of it in a jar. It's time to pour in the cold milk. Just stir the milk with a straw until it's blended in nicely with the banana mixture and there you go. You have yourself a jar of tasty and nutritious banana milk. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.